Today is basically a cleaning marathon. So we have a lot to do today. We actually have family coming from out of state, out of country actually, and I'm so excited to see them. Haven't seen them in literally years, but we have a ton of stuff to do before that. So I hope you're ready for a lot of work today and that somehow you leave inspired. But to start things off, I need to sand this dresser. With the easy off method until I started wrapping it in saran wrap. So first I spray it on, then I wrap it in saran wrap, which by the way, I don't think you've met the newest little member on the farm. This is Coco, or Coconut, but we call her Coco, right? She's the snuggliest little thing. Everybody's been having a lot of fun with getting to know her, but back to the easy off. So I just spray this on and leave it on for 20 minutes wrapped in saran wrap, and it literally peels right off. So if you've also been having trouble with, the easy off thing, I would highly recommend that. To start scraping my first one off. So I'm just gonna peel back the saran wrap, and then I have a little bowl here with a plastic scraper and a steel wool. I mainly use the plastic scraper. Some of the corners I use the steel wool in, but my bowl just has hot water and dish soap actually. So I'm gonna get to scraping it and let's see it happen. And then my last step is just gonna be to pour some water over, rinse it off, and then we'll let it dry. Why did I pick a 90-something degree day to do this? I don't know. Actually, I know what happened. This is not my favorite job. I love how it looks when it's done. Plus, I mean, it would be so much easier to just go out and buy a new dresser, but dressers are so expensive, and I have been looking on Marketplace for a while now, actually for a different room. We are doing a number of bedroom makeovers right now, and so I feel like we could use so many dressers. But anyway, it's just so expensive, and this one is in really good condition other than that it's just not the right color. It actually has 2 coats of paint underneath, it looks like, one white and one black, and the wood is stained. So we're going through a bunch of stuff here. It's a really solid, sturdy dresser otherwise, so it just makes sense to do it this way. At least I can do it in the shade. This area right here actually is supposed to sometime turn into a beautiful porch, so that's exciting.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Alright, taking a little break from the dresser and all that. Oh my goodness, it's taking a while. I feel like I was gonna have all these projects done today, and now I'm stuck just like scraping paint off of a dresser. But it's just one of those things. I mean, it comes right off. It's just with all those cracks and crevices and everything, it just takes a little longer than I feel like I have time for. But we do need to get that done as well. Alright, got them in the mail. That was fun. I hope all of you who ordered from the sale love your dresses. Okay, now I need to go to pop in at the grocery store. I don't know what it is. Is anybody else like this? But in the summer, if I'm, well, no, anytime really. In the winter, I tend to get kind of winter blues when it gets all cold. I'm just such a solar powered person, I think. I'm just cooped up inside. Like if I have too many days of inside work, I've been canning inside and stuff a bunch. And I feel like then I just kind of start feeling just a little like blah. And I just want to go outside and drink up the sunshine. So this is fun to be at least like walking outside and driving in the beautiful sunshine. It's hot though today. Actually, this week is hot. It's 93 right now. I think it's supposed to be like mid 90s, and yeah, so it is toasty, but I would just take that any day over cold, and so I'll take it. little bit early tonight, right? You want to show them your little outfit? Yeah, it's a romper. Where's Abby? Peek! There's Abby. Yeah, there's another corduroy book. Oh my goodness. When I can, I like to write the year on the lids so that it's easy to tell later what needs to be used up first. Supper tonight is just gonna be really easy. I think I'm just gonna dice up some potatoes, do some ground beef, do some different veggies and stuff, maybe a cheese sauce, and then we'll have some watermelon. Just nice and fresh and easy. It's actually only 15 or 20 minutes till Josh and the kiddos will probably be in, so I don't have a lot of time. And I was hoping to do zucchini boats, but then I was thinking we actually already had zucchini and chicken yesterday for supper, which was so good, so maybe I'll save that. But tonight, we're gonna do some potatoes, and I think it's gonna be really tasty. Let me know in the comments below what you are cooking for dinner tonight.
And all that I can sing is thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
The garden in the evening light is one of my all-time favorite things. It's so peaceful. Oh, I see a red tomato.
Can I pray? Jesus said that food and soul bodies in Jesus' name. Amen. That's why his phone goes in his eyes.
Even in my deep despair.